Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan Telegram QR code. To scan a Telegram QR code, follow the steps. First is you need to open the Telegram app in your mobile device. And after that, you need to access to the settings. On the top left corner, there's a three-line icon. Select there and go to the settings on the bottom. And right over here on the top right corner, we could see the QR icon just beside the search icon. Select the QR icon. And what you have to do is point your device's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Ensure that the QR code is well lit and within the frame of your camera. And once the QR code is successfully scanned, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process, and this may involve logging or linking your devices to your Telegram account. And depending on the purpose of scanning the QR code, you may need to verify your identity or authorization. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.